Welcome back to Askeltape, the blog, where we review patient monitors, cables, leads, sensors, and accessories for the healthcare professional. Now, today we're going to be looking at a one-piece ECG cable, which, if I could, ECG, of course, means electrocardiogram. It translates your heart or your patient's heart's electrical activity into waves. Those waves are easily displayed on our standard patient monitor display, which, speaking of patient monitor, today we're going to be using the Marquette Solar 8000 patient monitor with the TramRack 4A sidecar. And again, our display is just a standard RGB monitor, computer monitor. So, let's move right into it, shall we? We're looking at the one-piece ECG cable, which was provided very generously to us today for review by our friends over at cablesandsensors.com. If you are on that website and you're looking to order this piece, it is reference number C, as in cat, 23866S0. Again, C23866S0, the GE Healthcare Marquette Direct Connect 3-lead AHA snap. Now, what is that AHA? American Heart Association. This is AHA certified with our 3-lead snap. Once you pull the ECG cable out of the bag, you're going to notice our standard trunk, which indicates which lead goes to which part of the patient body. You've got right arm, and left leg. Those continue down right to the sensors, which are then labeled by color. There's my third sensor, labeled by color. We have the right arm, the left arm, and the left leg. That's red, black, and white. And the way these work is once you've taken the cable, once you have unraveled the cable, and you've plugged the male into your TramRack patient monitor, you're simply going to take your adhesive. You're going to snap it into place. Now let me just tell you real quick what you've got here in terms of parts. You've got the snap right there. You've got your lead wire, which is a polyvinyl jacket, and then you've got your socket right there. So you're going to take your snap and you're going to press it onto your adhesive snap. And then to prepare it on the patient, you're simply going to pull the adhesive backing away. You'll see gel there for electrical conduction. You're going to pull that away and place it onto your patient like so. Of course, this is not the accurate place. This is just an example. Place it just like so. And on your patient monitor, you'll begin to see that ECG reading, which of course is the electrical activity of the patient's heart. So again, this is the one-piece ECG cable, GE Healthcare Marquette Direct Connect, reference C23866S0. Definitely something I would recommend for patient monitoring, whether you have your own healthcare facility, you're a doctor, you're a nurse, you're a technician, or if you're just a patient at home trying to monitor your own health.